Good morning, children, and good morning, parents. Welcome to EduStar International School. You are watching Class 5 Mathematics, Chapter number 7, Fractions. Part 3. The last class we have learned about fractions and type of fractions. In this class, let us study about add or subtract the like fractions. Example is given for you. A 11 by 9 plus 2 by 9. Now, can you tell what type of fraction it is? It is like fraction. As how we can tell it is like fraction? Because both fractions are having the same denominator. Both fractions are having same denominator. So, it is like fraction. If the given fractions are like fraction means you have to add only the numerators. So 11 plus 2 by 9. So you want to add only the numerator, not in the denominator. What number is given in the denominator, write that number in the denominator. So 11 plus 2, add only the numerators. So what is given in the denominator? 9. So write 9 here. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 by 9 is equal to 13 by 9. Now can you tell what type of fractions you are getting in the answer? Numerator is greater than the denominator. So it is what type of fraction? Improper fractions. So improper fractions you can convert into mixed fractions. So you have to divide these two values separately. So if you divide the numerator, what is given, that you want to write in the inside the box and write 9 outside the box. So the denominator values, that is divisor, and numerator values, that is dividend. Divide the two values. Only one time of 9s are there in 13. So write 1 at the top, write 9 below that, 13. Then you subtract these two values, you will get finally 4. You are getting remainder 4. So 1 is the quotient and 4 is the remainder. Now already I told when you are converting in the mixed fractions, you want to write format. What type of format? Q or by D. Q for quotient, R for remainder, and D for the divisor. So you want to write on the answer this format, Q or by D. So Q is the 1 and R is for 4 and D is 9. So 1, 4 by 9. Write on the whole, that is quotient is the whole part, and R by D is the fraction part. So 4 by 9 is the fraction part. So equal to 1, 4 by 9. And one more example is given for you. Let us see now. B 9 by 15 minus 6 by 15. So this is also like fraction because both fractions are having same denominator. What do you want to do here? We want to subtract only the numerator. So is equal to 9 minus 6 divided by 15. You have to write the 15 only one time in the denominator. But in the numerator, what and all is given, you take and write 9 minus 6 divided by, you write only one time 15 in the denominator because both fractions are like fraction. So subtract the numerator alone. 9 minus 6, how much? 3 by 15 is equal to 3 by 15. Now can you tell what type of fraction it is? Numerator is lesser than the denominator. So what type of fraction it comes under? as proper fraction. These fractions we can reduce to lowest term. The 3 and 15, it is coming in which table? 3 table. So both values are coming in 3 tables. So I am going to divide the value by 3. So 3 divided by 3, then 15 divided by 3. So what you are using in the numerator, the same thing we want to use in the denominator also. So how many times of 3's are there in 3? Only one time. So write in the numerator 1. How many times of 3's are there in 15? As 5 times. So is equal to 1 by 5. Okay, this is the lowest term. The next one thing, how to add subtract the unlike fractions. A 4 by 9 plus 7 by 24 plus 23 by 36. Here how many fractions are given? 3 fractions. Now we tell given the fractions are like or unlike fractions? Unlike fractions, because all the denominators are different. 9, 24, 36. So all the denominators are different. So it comes under unlike fractions. So we want to add the numerator alone when you are adding, but the denominators are different. So all the denominators we want to convert into like fraction first. So the given the unlike fractions convert into like fractions. So before that we want to find LCM. Okay, so find LCM of 9, 24 and 36. So first you have to take all the denominators, what are given the denominators you take and write 9, 24, 36. So now first 9, that is what type of number? Composite number. It's okay, but it is odd number. Next one, even number. Next one, even number. We have one odd number, two even numbers. So first I am going with the 2 prime number. When you are finding the LCM, you have to use only the prime numbers alone. So I am going to use 2 to divide the values. So write 2 outside. So 9 is the odd number. So we can't divide the value by 2. So I am going to write the 9 as it is. Then 24. In 24, that is even number. So it is possible to divide the value by 2. So how many 2's are there in 24? In 2 only one time. In 4 2 times. So totally 12 times are there. In 36 how many times of 2's are there? 18 times are there. So write 1 8 18. So 9, 12 and 18. Okay. Now again you have first is the odd number, remaining 2 numbers are even number. So I am going to use 2 again to divide the value. Write 2. 9 not possible, so write 9 as it is. In 12 how many times of 2's are there? 6. So write 6 2's are 12, write 6. And then in 18 how many times of 2's are there? 9 times. So I want to write 9. So 9, 6, 9. Then 9 is the odd number, 6 is the even number, 9 is the odd number. So I am going with again 2. Only one and even number is there. So I am going to use 2 divide the value by 2. So write 2 again. 9 not possible. So write 9. In how many times of 2's are there in 6? 3. In 9? No. So you want to write down. 9, 3, 9. Now you see all the numbers are odd number. 9, 3, 9. Okay. So next prime number. Which prime number? 3. So that is possible to divide all the 3 numbers. So I am going to use 3 next. So how many times of 3's are there in 9? 3 times. In 3 only 1 times. In 9 again 3. So 3, 1, 3 you want to write on that. Then 3, 1, 3. So 3 is the prime number. So use the same prime number to divide the value. So write 3. In how many times of 3's are there in 3? Only 1. So 1, 1, 1. Finally you get. So The LCM of 9, 24, 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So you want to write all the 5 factors and multiply and write. So LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. You keep the number 8 separately. Then you multiply 3 3s are 9. So 8 into 9, how much? 72. So this is the LCM. So if we want to convert all the denominators into 72. 9 you want to convert into 72. 24 want to convert into 72. And 36 you want to convert into 72. So what you want to multiply with this number, you will get 72. That we are going to find now. So first fraction you take and write 4 by 9. Okay. Now what is the LCM? 72. Okay. So what you multiply by 9, okay, use only the denominator. What you multiply by 9, you will get 72. You know the ninth table, you have to tell which number used to multiply by 9, you will get 72. 9 8s are 72. So what number you are using denominator, the same value you want to use in the numerator. So multiply by 8 by 8. Okay. So what you are using in the denominator, the same value you want to use in the numerator also. So 8 by 8, 4 by 9 into 8 by 8 is equal to 4 8s are how much? 32 and 9 8s are 72. So 32 divided by 72. Then 7 by 24. So what you multiply by 24, you will get 72. So you want to multiply by 3. 24 3s are 72. So what you are using in the denominator, the same value you want to use in the numerator. So 3 by 3. So 7 3s are how much? 21. So 7 3s are 21 divided by 72. And the next fraction taken like 23 by 72. So already we have 72 in the denominator. So what do you want to multiply by? Only 1. So 23 divided by 72 into 1 by 1. Okay. So is equal to 23 ones are 23. 72 ones are 72. So 23 divided by 72. Now you see all the fractions. All the denominators are having same value. Here 72, here 72, here 72. So all the fractions are same value. So just you want to add only the numerator. So take and write all the fractions first. First 4 by 9 plus 7 by 24 plus 23 by 72 is equal to, what is the value for 4 by 9? So 32 by 72, that you want to write 32 by 72 plus what is the value for 7 by 24? 21 by 72, that you want to take and write 21 by 72 plus what is the value for 23 by 72? The same value 23 by 72, take and write. Now you see all the fractions are having the same denominator. So you want to add only the numerator alone. So equal to 32 plus 21 plus 23 divided by. So you want to take and write only one time 72 in the denominator. So add the three values, finally you get is equal to 76 by 72. Here what fraction it is? That is improper fraction. Improper fraction means we can convert into mixed fraction. Is you have to divide this value. How many times are 72s are there in 76? Only one time. So equal to write 1. If you subtract 72 from 76, how much you have balance? 4. That is remainder right at the top. 4. And what you have in the denominator? 72. The same 72 you want to write in the denominator. So 1 4 by 72. This is the mixed fraction. going to explain the next example for you. B. 2 13 by 36 minus 1 5 by 9. Given the fractions are mixed fraction. So the mixed fraction, first of all, we want to convert into improper fraction, then convert into like fraction, then you have to subtract the values. So first we are going to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So first we want to multiply these two values. 36 into 2, 72. 72 plus 13, how much now? 85. So 85 by 36 minus, then 9 ones are 9, 9 plus 5, 14. So 14 by 9. So first we want to multiply these two values, I mean denominator into whole part, then add with the remainder. That means numerators. Okay. So we will get finally 85 by 36 minus 14 by 9. Now you see here the given the fraction solved and like fraction. So we want to convert into like fraction. So use the denominator to find the LCM. So find LCM 36, 9. You take and write the denominators alone. So 36, that is even number, and 9 is odd number. So first I go with the 2 even prime number. So use 2 divide the value. And how many times of 2's are there in 36? 18 times. So write 1, 8, 18. In 9, so we can't divide the value by 2. So write 9 as it is. So 18, 9. And again we are having one even number, then one odd number. So I am going to use to divide the value by 2. So write 2 outside. Then how many times of 2's are there in 18? 9 times. So write 9, and 9, no, I mean we can't divide the value by 2. So write 9 down. So 9, 9. Now the 9 and 9 both are odd number. So I am going with the next add prime number. What is that? 3. So going to use 3 to divide the value. So write 3 outside. How many times of 3's are there in 9? 3 times. So next 9 also having 3 times. So 3, 3. So 3 is the one of the prime number. So we are going to use the same prime number to divide the value. So write 3 outside. Then how many times of 3's are there in 3? Only 1. So 1, 1. You will get now 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So these are the factors we are going to multiply. That is the LCM. So LCM of 36 and 9 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So we want to take and write all those factors and multiply the values here. Now 2 2's are 4. So 4 keep separately, and then 3 3's are 9. So 4 into 9, how much now? 36. So this is the LCM of 9 and 36. Now we want to convert all the denominators into 36. So take and write the first fraction, 85 by 36. So we are having the 36 same. So what do you want to do here? You want to multiply by 1 by 1. So into 1 by 1 is equal to 85 into 1, 85. And then 36 into 1, 36. So 85 by 36. And second fraction, 14 by 9. You take and write. Now what do you multiply by 9? You will get 36. You think about the ninth table. 1 9 is 9. 2 9s are 18, 3 9s are 27, 4 9s are 36. You get now. So you want to multiply by 4 by 4. So 14 into 4, how much now? You want to multiply these two values. You get is equal to 56. And 9 4s are 36. So now we converted the fractions into like fractions. You take and write all those answer. So now you take and write the question. Already we found 2 13 by 36 minus 1 5 by 9 equal to 85 by 36 minus 14 by 9. So we get the value 85 36 how much? The same value 85 by 36 minus 14 by 9. What value you get? 56 by 36. Now this is the like fraction. So like fractions, you want to subtract only the numerator alone. So 85 minus 56 divided by 36. In denominator, you have to write only one time. So 85 minus 56, you want to subtract the two values. You get finally 29 by 36. Now what fraction it is? This is proper fraction. So proper fraction means we can't convert any other fraction. Then let us start to write the math classwork. So take math classwork note, take first page and draw the margin, side margin, top margin, date, write down the heading, everything black, and write down the answer blue in color. Chapter number 7, fractions. Write the heading black in color. Fractions. A fraction is a part of a whole. A fraction is the form of numerator by denominator. Denominator is not equal to 0. So example is given 3 by 4. The 3 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. Take snap and just to copy in your math classwork note. Write neatly without overwriting. Type of fractions are given that. So take and write all those fractions. So red color words and all write in black in color. Black color words and all write in blue in color. Numerator 1. Convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction. 18 by 7 is equal to, you have to divide the value. 7 is the divisor, 18 is the dividend. You have to divide the value, you will get quotient 2 and remainder 4. 7 is the divisor. So you want to arrange the number in Q, R by D. So 2 is the whole part, that is the quotient part 2, and 4 that is the remainder and divisor 4 by 7, that is a fraction part 2 4 by 7. Then B, 121 by 8 is equal to 15 1 by 8. You have to divide the value like that, you will get the answer this. 2. Convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 7 3 by 4, you multiply by 4 into 7 plus 3, then divided by 4. So 4 into 7 plus 3, that is 31 divided by 4. B, 5 1 by 8 is equal to 8 into 5 plus 1 divided by 8, that is equal to 41 by 8. So take snap and just copy in your math classwork note. Number 3. Find the first 3 equivalent fractions. 8 by 10. Solution. 8 by 10 is equal to 8 into 2 divided by 10 into 2. So you want to multiply by 2, 3, 4 is going on like that. They're asking first 3 equivalent fraction. Already given 8 by 10. If you multiply by 1, you will get the same answer. So I am start with the 2. So you want to multiply by 2 by 2, then 3 by 3, then 4 by 4. Like that you want to write. Then 8 by 10 is equal to 8 2s are 16, then 10 2s are 20. 16 by 20, that is equal to 8 into 3, that is 24, and 10 into 3, that is 30. So 24 divided by 30, that is equal to 8 into 4, 32, 10 into 4, 40. So 32 by 40. So the equivalent fractions are 8 by 10 equal to 16 by 20 is equal to 25 by 30 is equal to 32 by 40. Then B, 1 by 5. Solution. The same thing you want to multiply by 2 and 3 and 4. So multiply and write, you will get the equivalent fractions of. So 1 by 5 is equal to 2 by 10 equal to 3 by 15 is equal to 4 by 20. Fourth one, arrange in ascending and descending orders. A, 3 by 5, 11 by 12, 8 by 9, 5 by 6, 17 by 18. So given the fractions or unlike fraction, you want to convert into like fraction. So you want to find the LCM. So take all the denominators to find LCM. And finally we get 180. So all the denominators you want to convert into 180. So first fraction taken like 3 by 5. So what you multiply by 5 you will get 180 means 36. So you want to multiply by 36 numerator as well as the denominator. So 3 into 36 108 and 5 into 36 180. Then next fraction 11 by 12. So what you multiply by 12 you will get 180 means 15. So the same 15 you want to multiply in the numerator as well as denominator. So 11 into 15 divided by 12 into 15. 11 into 15 165 and 12 into 15 180. The next fraction you take and write 8 by 9. So you multiply by 20 you will get 180. So you want to multiply by numerator and denominator by 20. So 8 into 20, that is 160. 9 into 20, that is 180. The next fraction taken, like 5 by 6 equal to, you multiply by 30 means you will get 180. So the same value used in the numerator also. So 5 into 30 divided by 6 into 30 is equal to 150 divided by 180. The next one, 17 by 18. So you multiply by 10, you will get 180. So 17 into 10 divided by 18 into 10 is equal to 170 by 180. Just to copy in your math class or note without making mistakes. The next, you are arranging the ascending order. So take and write all those values: 108 by 180, 150 by 180, 160 by 180, 165 by 180, 170 by 180. So 108 divided by 180, what is the value for this? 3 by 5. The next value is less than 5 by 6. 160 by 180, that is 8 by 9. 165 by 180, that is 11 by 12. 170 by 180, that is 17 by 18. So you are arranging the numbers from small to big. So 3 by 5 less than 5 by 6 less than 8 by 9 less than 11 by 12 less than 17 by 18. Using the same value, you are arranging the numbers in descending order. So just you want to write in reverse form. I mean big to small you want to write. So 170 by 180, that is 17 by 18. 165 by 180, that is 11 by 12. And 160 by 180, that is 8 by 9. 150 by 180, that is 5 by 6. And 108 by 180, that is 3 by 5. So it is bigger to smaller. So 17 by 18 is greater than 11 by 12, is greater than 8 by 9, is greater than 5 by 6, is greater than 3 by 5. The next thing, B, 2 2 by 3, 2 2 by 7, 2 1 by 14, 2 1 by 6. So given the fractions or mixed fractions, first you want to convert into proper fraction. So 3 into 2, how much? 6 plus 2, 8. So you are converting here. 8 by 3, 16 by 7, 29 by 14, 13 by 6. Now you are going to use this fraction, convert into like fraction. So you want to find LCM. So you get finally LCM 42. So using the denominator 3, 7, 14, 6, use that to find LCM. The LCM of 3, 7, 14, 6 is equal to 42. So you are going to convert all the denominators into 42. Already I explained it to you in the previous class. You have to copy in your math class or note. So 18 into 14 divided by 3 into 14 is equal to 112 by 42. Okay. The next fraction you are taking and write 16 by 7. So what do you multiply by 7? You will get 42. That is 6. So use the same 6 in the numerator also. 16 into 6 by 7 into 6 equal to 96 by 42. Then 29 by 14. So you are multiplying by 3, you will get 42. So 29 into 3, that is 87. 14 into 3, that is 42. The next thing, what you multiply by 6, you will get 42, that is 7. So 13 into 7 by 6 into 7, you will get 91 by 42. So what you multiply in the denominator? The same thing you want to use in the numerator. Then you should arrange the numbers in ascending order. AO means ascending order. So take and write all those values. 87 by 42, 91 by 42, 96 by 42, 112 by 42. Okay. So 87 by 42, that is 29 by 14, is less than 13 by 6, less than 16 by 7, less than 8 by 3. Then descending order. The same value you just write from big to small. Finally, you get the answer. 8 by 3 greater than 16 by 7 greater than 13 by 6 is greater than 29 by 14. Today what and all you want to complete fractions. Types of fractions. Convert the improper fractions into mixed fraction. Convert the mixed fraction into improper fractions. And find the first three equivalent fractions. Two sums. Fourth one, arrange in ascending order and descending order. So you want to complete two sums here, A and B. So up to that you want to complete. So thank you children. Thank you parents. We will meet in the next class.